Rizal Sirait with name 2025-32101. I'm from Information System C class. And today I will explain my C++ program that stimulate a drive-through queue using the linear array. To keep the coding organized, I use struct called is Antrian drive-through. This act as a container for all the data and the function related to our queue. So first we check in the max capacity is I use the define max for to limit the drive-through lane to only four car on the time. After that we use a data storage inside the structure. I use the array of string. Call is plate number max to store the license plates. And the pointer, I use the variable called real initialize to -1. Why we use -1? In C++, array increment start at 0. So -1 is currently in this case the queue is currently empty. After that we use the is full and is empty. Why we use is empty? This function check if error is still -1. If it is, there are no cars to serve. This prevents underflow, which is trying to remove data that isn't there. And we use is full is this check if rear has reached max -1, which is index 3. If the lane is full, we cannot let more car in, prevent the overflow. After that, we see for the adding and removing data. Now, let's look at the core of operation is NQ and DQ. You see, this for NQ and this for DQ. NQ or in another way is like editing a car. When a car enter, we first check is full. If there is space, we increment rear and save the lines plate at the new position like this. And DQ or serving a car. This is where it get interesting in a liner queue. When the first car at index 0 leave, the space become empty. And after that, we use the looping looping logic to keep the line moving. I use a for loop like this one. For integer I equal 0 and blah 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 blah. This shift every car one spot forward. For example, the car at index 1 moved to index 0, index 2 moved to index 1, and soon after shifting we decrement a rear. After that, we use the visualization and mind logic. Like this one, I use display. This function simply loops through the array from the first car to the rear and print the lines license plate so we can see the current state of the lane. And after that, the simulate of main. This one. All this one. The simulation of an in mind function. I follow specific test scenario. Like this one, fill fill queue with 4 cars. 3 to add 5 cars to prove the overflow protection works. Serve to 2 cars and show the remaining ones. Empty the empty the queue until I trigger the underflow warning. So we can run the coding. It will like this. In summary, this program successful this demonstrate the FIFO or first in and first out principle. By using a loop during the queue process, I insert that the queue remains efficient and the front of the line is was at index zero, just like a real world drive-through where cars move forward once the person in front is served. I think it's all. Thank you.